Hi guys, Black here with another little thing that just happened with my Cadillac. Now, for about, I don't know, probably ever since I had it, when it's hot outside, and just say you're at parking lot speed and you try to, turn the wheel to go left or turn the wheel to go to white, you're bagging out of a parking space, and it seemed like the engine, like the power steering pump, is not keeping up. It feels like the RPM is just slightly lower than it should be. Well, anyway, the last few days, it has gotten where, like, when it's hot outside, the engine wants to cut off, right? Until you cut the air conditioner off. If you hit the AC button, you won't have this problem. Today I decided to, now I'm not getting a check engine light, but this right here, right there, it's called an idle air control valve. It controls how much air goes into the engine, and it controls the idle. It does just what it says it does. Well, I'm not getting a check engine light, but I decided to take it out. Well, actually, I unplugged it first, and when I unplugged it, the idle was kind of high. I think it was like 1,000 RPM, but I put it in gear. It didn't choke down. I turned the steering wheel, it didn't choke down. I had the air conditioner on, it didn't choke down. But 1,000 RPM I knew was too high. So I then decided to plug it back up, and the idle didn't come down. So I cut the car off, started the engine back up, and it started doing what it was doing before. Well, actually it ran slightly better, to be honest with you. It ran slightly better. Well, anyway, I took the Phillips head screw out of here and one out of there. Guys, make sure you use a good Phillips head, and you put a lot of pressure, because the bolts were pretty damn tight. But I got them to come out without hurting the Phillips head part. Well, anyway, I took this out, and I took a rag with some engine cleaner, brake cleaner, whatever, and I rubbed off the carbon, and I sprayed some carbon up in there a couple times. Some black dust, see that little black stuff right there? That ran out. So I put the damn thing back in, hooked everything back up, and now the idle is like, before I think the idle was like 625, now it's like 650, 675, but it's not cutting off. With the air conditioner on, with the air conditioner off, I can turn the steering wheel. So basically, hell, I guess the throttle body probably need cleaning too. But I don't feel like doing all that. I said I was gonna take a break from working on cars, well, from doing anything today. But anyway, I thought I'd just make a video, tell you guys what I did. Maybe that could help you all. This is Dre. Y'all have a good day.